Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing a 16:9 slide size for clean video framing. Decide on a total video length and divide it into individual slide durations. Keep each slide duration between 3 and 10 seconds by default for pacing. Write concise narration and add matching speaker notes under each slide for guidance. Use high contrast fonts and 28-point size or larger for readability on screens. Group related elements and name layers so you can animate them predictably later. Add simple entrance and exit animations to emphasize key points without overwhelming viewers. Use durations between 1/2 and 2 seconds for most transitions to keep motion smooth. Record narration directly in slides or import audio tracks in MP3 or WAV format for higher quality. Align each audio clip with a slide and set manual timings when needed. Use the record feature to capture automatic slide advances while you speak. Preview the sequence and adjust timings until when your slides and audio are synchronized. Use File then Download and choose MP4 to export a video file. Export preserves the 16:9 layout and includes animations and audio you recorded. Import the MP4 into a simple video editor to add captions, B-roll, or trim unwanted sections quickly. Keep captions concise and set readable font sizes, like 28-point or larger. Finally, upload to YouTube or cloud storage and choose appropriate privacy settings before sharing with your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.